Hello there, and welcome to Infinity Beyond. I'm so glad you've chosen to spend part of your evening, or perhaps your early morning with us. Maybe you're in that mysterious time in between, floating in that serene space just before sleep takes hold. Wherever you are in the world, let me know in the comments. I love discovering where these quiet science journeys drift off to. And while you're there, if this video helps you feel at ease or sparks a quiet sense of wonder, please consider subscribing. It helps us keep bringing these peaceful explorations into the vast unknown. Tonight, let's begin a cosmic journey, a soft unraveling of our origin story, not just as humans, but as Stardust. At first glance, the idea may not seem that dramatic, but pause for a moment and consider this. Every atom in your body, carbon in your skin, oxygen in your breath, calcium in your bones, was born inside a star. You, me, all of us, we are literally made of star stuff. In the beginning, the universe was simple, just hydrogen and helium floating through space. Then gravity worked its magic. Clouds of gas collapsed in on themselves, growing denser and hotter, until one day, stars were born. Within the hearts of these stars, temperatures soared to millions of degrees. And under that intense heat and pressure, something extraordinary happened. Nuclear fusion. Hydrogen atoms slammed together, forming helium. Energy was released in the process, an immense amount, creating the very light that would later travel across space and time to warm our world. But more than that, these stellar furnaces were building complexity. As stars aged, they started fusing heavier and heavier elements. Helium turned into carbon, then oxygen, then magnesium, and on through the periodic table, until iron. At iron, the process changes. Fusion no longer releases energy. Instead, it consumes it. And so, the star prepares for a spectacular finale. Massive stars end their lives in dramatic supernova explosions. In those brief moments, they release enough energy to forge even heavier elements, gold, silver, uranium, and scatter them across space. That scattered debris becomes the raw material for planets, moons, oceans, and life itself. So when we say you're made of stars, it's not just poetic, it's literal. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your teeth, the potassium in your muscles, all once drifted through the vacuum of space, part of some ancient exploded star. The atoms that make you once belonged to something far older than Earth. Isn't that a humbling and comforting thought? Now imagine this. As you close your eyes tonight, the light from ancient stars still dances across your eyelids. Even now, photons born in stellar hearts are traveling millions of years just to reach you. Each starlight whisper a message from the past, reminding us of how interconnected we all are with the cosmos. It's easy to feel small in the face of such vastness. But what if, instead of feeling insignificant, we saw ourselves as cosmic miracles? Tiny reflections of the universe gaining the ability to contemplate itself. This isn't science fiction. It's science wrapped in wonder. And it's only the beginning. Let your mind wander now, gently, through this vast galactic nursery where stars are born and atoms are crafted with care. With every breath, you're participating in the story of the universe. Its chaos, its beauty, its elegance. Let the thought settle in you. You are not separate from the cosmos. You are the cosmos, in conscious form. And with that, drift gently into sleep, knowing that in the grand silence of space, your story has always been written in stardust.